Finally back home. Shout out to Indonesia. Is that how you guys say it? I don't know. It's pretty weird. I think I should go to sleep.
I was posting a video on Facebook, waiting for people's comments. Telolet, 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 it's the only comments I get. And then I went to Instagram, waiting for people's response. Telolet, 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 it's the only comments I get. And I'm sure when I upload this to YouTube, people's response will be the same. Telolet, 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 it's the only comment I'll get.
Guys!
All my comments say
What
that.
does that even mean? Tonio, aren't you Indonesian?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
A bus horn. Horn of a bus?
It must be something.
A bus horn.
What kind of bus horn?
Listen.
This shit is serious. Telolet. Telolet, omelet.